Every home is different. That's why Marasun created our property protection plan. We call it a PPP. Each project has its own personalized protection plan. Our project leaders take photos during your initial assessment of your roof, siding, windows and screens, driveway, solar lights, plants, trees, and yard art. Prior to scheduling your job, your project leader and the Marasun production team review your proposal and photos to ensure our tribe is ready for your installation. Prep work includes ordering plywood to cover HVAC units and decking, where to have the dumpster materials delivered, and noting any fragile water or irrigation pipe or system. The day your project begins, the crew will start by protecting your property. Tribe leaders will walk the property, taking note of any changes they see from the PPP. The tribe utilizes the catch-all system to protect your siding and shrubbery from falling shingles. If you have cedar shake removed, the tribe will also use tarps to protect your attic and mitigate cleanup. Preparing your roof and siding projects is a team effort. Both are considered major home renovations and require prep work before your project can begin. Here's how you can help. Prior to your installation, it is important for you to remove any delicate yard art and lights surrounding your home. Lawn furniture and movable items such as grills and toys will need to be moved a safe distance away from the home. We recommend a minimum of 15 feet. The night before our team arrives, please park your car a safe distance away on the street. It is important to have your car out of the garage before your materials are delivered, as to not be blocked in. Inside your home can also be impacted by your installation. The vibration from the hammering can shake photos and artwork hung on the walls, especially on the top floor closest to the roof. Valuables should be removed from the walls until your project is complete. Pets and children should stay inside and away from falling roof debris. Loose nails can be in the grass during the install before our final cleanup. Pets and children sensitive to strangers and loud noises would do best at a sitter for the install. Our priority is to keep your family, home, and property safe. We will complete a quality assessment to complete your project. Your project leader will schedule a time to walk the home and property with you to address any last questions and concerns. While perfection is our goal, mistakes can happen. We are committed to our 5-star reviews and will do what it takes to leave your home clean and cared for. If you find anything that you are unhappy with, we want the opportunity to find solutions together.